Model, 60 Plate Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic 2.0 Crew Double Cab Lwb Noisy gearbox drives No Vat. Body, silver, crew cab. Mileage, 197,698. MOT, the 6th of January 2026. Engine, 1995 CCM9R, 115 bhpg. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash. Starts and drives fine, but the gearbox is whining in most gears. The gearbox will need repairing or replacing very soon. Definitely worth doing. Nice clean crew cab with no VAT to pay, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition.